Ntlawa wa vakhandziyi va Uber va xisati va navela muchayeri wa Uber laha va nga n'wi tshembisa leswaku va kombela ku famba na yena a ya va tsakisa kumbe ku tlela na vona, naswona va ta n'wi hakela mali eka ntirho lowu a nga ta wu endla wo tlela na vona hi wun'we. Ku twa ku i mali muni leyi a tshembisiwe yona? Yingisela kandziyiso lowu. Kambe muchayeri wa Uber u te yena do a nge swi koti. Kandziyiso.
You join us, we drink, we feed you, we pay you. But the kid will pay you. Money that you make. Let me tell you, yesterday most of the drivers, they made about 1.6, 1.8, 2,000 rands, excluding private trips, right? So we can actually give you 1.8 and you spend the next 4 hours with us. We drink, we chill, 5 hours, 6 hours max. After about 6 hours, you'll decide you want to go back to work. And if you go back to work, then it's fine. You have your 1 point. You start afresh. How do you get? Eh?
Next time. Bona. Manziwa ipaga hatsheri 600 or 800 abare mu.
Mari kebe ke tsamaile le banyana ba le ka jamara.
Ka jamara ke thola tšhelete.
Ao, ke thotse botjwana ke khotse. Ao batho.
Ao banna.
Ao. No, but we found you. We found you. Yeah, but we saw you on the app. We were like, he's the one for the day. Yeah. We've got condoms. That's born. It doesn't matter. We want you as you are.
Looks can be deceiving.
What makes you think what age is anything has anything to do with it? Much younger, much older. You're the perfect age. You're over 25. You're over 18, even better.
Yes, that's nice.
How?
Proper Benten.
Proper Benten. How about it, Teresa? What a time.
This sounds like kidnapping.
And we're not going to kidnap him, Shem. We'll keep everything on him.
I'm telling you, he's going to go to his right, Manzibu.
Yeah.
Abari, really, where are you?
Yeah, bo.
I checked that one.
Are you still there? And even better, later you can even take me back to Soweto.
Oh, you from Soweto?